Would you believe me if I told you that this simple tomato sitting in your kitchen can fade dark spots, clear acne, and brighten your skin faster than some expensive creams? Sounds crazy, right? But what happens when you rub tomato juice on your face every day might actually shock you. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to use tomato the right way to transform your skin naturally. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure results. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Essential Cures. On this channel, we talk all things skincare, natural beauty, and home remedies that really work. Now, if you've been struggling with dark spots, acne scars, or uneven skin tone, I totally understand how frustrating that can be. But before you spend more money on harsh treatments, you might want to try this powerful natural remedy, tomato. Why tomato is a skincare powerhouse? So, what's the secret behind the tomato's magic? Let's break it down simply. 1. Vitamin C boost. Tomatoes are loaded with vitamin C, a natural skin brightener. It helps reduce the melanin that causes dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Over time, it fades uneven patches and gives your skin a more radiant glow. 2. Lycopene power. Tomatoes get their red color from lycopene, a strong antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage, one of the biggest causes of dark spots and early aging. It also helps to repair damaged skin cells. 3. Natural acids and enzymes. Tomatoes contain gentle natural acids that exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells, unclogging pores, and drying out acne without harsh chemicals. 4. Pore tightening and oil control. If you have oily skin, tomato juice can help balance oil production and tighten your pores, leaving your face smooth and fresh. So basically, the tomato is like a mini facial, cleansing, brightening, and rejuvenating your skin all at once. How to use tomato for clear and even skin. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually use it the right way, because the method matters just as much as the ingredient. Method 1. The simple tomato rub for daily use. This is the easiest and quickest method. Cut a fresh tomato in half and rub the juicy side gently on your clean face. Focus especially on areas with dark spots, acne scars, or uneven tone. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Do this 4 to 5 times a week for best results. You'll start to notice your skin feeling smoother, tighter, and more radiant within just a few weeks. It's that simple. Method 2. Tomato and honey glow mask for dry or dull skin. Now if your skin is dry, flaky, or just lacks glow, this mask is for you. Mix 1 tablespoon of tomato juice with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it evenly all over your face and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Honey adds moisture, heals acne marks, and prevents dryness, while the tomato brightens and tightens your skin. After rinsing, your face will feel soft, hydrated, and visibly brighter. It's perfect for that natural glow. Method 3. Tomato and lemon spot treatment for oily or acne-prone skin. If you're dealing with stubborn dark marks or acne scars, this combo is powerful, but use it carefully. Mix 1 tablespoon of tomato juice with a few drops of lemon juice. Dip a cotton ball in the mixture and apply it only on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. Quick tip, if you have sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Lemon is strong, so if it stings too much, add a few drops of rose water to dilute it. Bonus, tomato ice cubes for cooling and brightening. Here's a refreshing hack: freeze fresh tomato juice into ice cubes. Every morning, rub 1 ice cube gently on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps reduce puffiness, tightens pores, and boosts circulation. It's the perfect morning wake-up for your skin. Tips to get the best results. Now, let me share a few golden tips that make all the difference. Always apply sunscreen after using tomato treatments during the day. The acids can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Be consistent. Natural remedies take time, but if you stick to them, the results are real and lasting. Exfoliate twice a week. Removing dead skin cells allows the tomato's nutrients to work better. Store tomato juice properly. Fresh is best, but you can refrigerate it for up to 2 days. Paint the visual transformation. Imagine watching your skin gradually transform, the dark spots fading, the acne scars softening, your face looking smoother, brighter, and full of life again. That's what happens when you let nature heal your skin. No harsh chemicals, no heavy makeup, just pure, glowing confidence. So there you have it, one of the most effective and affordable natural remedies for clear, glowing skin. The power of tomato. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. And tell me in the comments below, have you ever tried tomato on your skin? How did it work for you? I'd love to read your stories.